It is not uncommon to face situations where you might accidentally delete a slide or two. That's why knowing how to recover deleted PowerPoint slides can save you from extra work and stress, helping you maintain the integrity and impact of your final presentation. And in this video tutorial, we will show exactly how to do so. Now start with the recycle bin on your computer, which is your first line of defense against accidental deletion. You just have to click on the recycle bin icon in your desktop, search for your PowerPoint file, and if it is there, you're in luck. Right-click on the file, then select Restore to send it sailing back to its original location. You just have to remember that this trick only works if you haven't emptied the bin since the deletion occurred. Moreover, PowerPoint's auto cover feature helps retrieve unsaved presentations by automatically saving copies at set intervals. You just have to ensure it is enabled and adjust the save interval under the File tab. Click Options, then choose Save. Now, while auto cover is useful during crashes, it should not replace regularly saving your work. Lastly, should you need to dig deeper to find your lost slides, temporary files and autosave location are your next go-to spots. So for Windows users, you can navigate to the folder specified by the auto recover file location in your PowerPoint options, and it is oftenly found under this location, and you might enter it on your File Explorer. Now, leveraging cloud storage solutions like OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox also adds an extra layer of protection for your PowerPoint slides. So to explore version history, simply click the File tab, select Info, choose Version History in order to see a list of saved versions. Now, if you're working within OneDrive, right-click on a file, select Previous Versions, and this will reveal any available older versions ready to restore with just a click. And those are the different ways on how you can recover deleted PowerPoint slides in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.